So let me first run this program and then I'll explain what it does. All right, seems to run. Okay, so what I did was I first imported the custom step, created a new object based on the custom step class, added a starter page, added an about page, then attached a SAS program. This SAS program happens to be an example that I just lifted out of some existing code I had and saved in a place on my file system. I pass in that path as an argument to the attach SAS program method. And then to prove that things worked well, I print out the custom step object in dictionary representation. And as you can see here, when I print it out, the custom step is shown in its dictionary representation. And if you scroll further down, you'll notice that the SAS program portion of the custom step does contain the SAS program that I attached to it. Taking things a step further, you'll notice if I use the create custom step method to save the current representation of the custom step, once I go to the place on the file system where this custom step is saved, you know, now notice that in addition to the starter page, the about page, you also have the code contained here.